Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you Fontlab discount code. So the first step, you need to open the website and click on discover Fontlab 8.3. So click here. So once you are here, you simply need to click on buy Fontlab, and once you click on that, you are on that page. So once you are on that page, so let's suppose I want to buy Pro, so click on buy now. So once you click on that, payment page will be open, and here you need to apply the coupon code. So click here. So you need to apply the coupon code that I'm going to mention, SANS8ION, and then you need to click on apply. And here you can see price drop from 499 to 458, and then you need to add your card detail and click on pay. So this is a process how you can get Fontlab discount code. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.